DeBank Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The DeBank Wallet app has been making waves among DeFi users, and for good reason. It's not just a wallet, it's a complete dashboard for managing your decentralized finance portfolio. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, DeBank is one of the best tools for tracking your entire DeFi portfolio in real time. It connects to over 1.0 protocols across blockchains like Ethereum, Chain, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. This means you can monitor your assets, loans, liquidity pools, and yield farming positions all in one place. The interface is one of DeBank's strongest points. It's clean, visual, and beginner-friendly, perfect for anyone who wants a quick overview of the crypto activity without digging through complicated data. It even shows your transaction history and estimated net worth in one easy snapshot. Another major advantage is security. DeBank is a non-custodial wallet, so you control your private keys at all times. It doesn't store your funds, and it doesn't ask for personal data beyond wallet connections. DeBank also supports social features like web profiles and portfolio following, allowing users to see and compare what other wallets are doing, a unique community-driven twist that makes learning DeFi strategies easier. Now, the cons. DeBank doesn't currently support token swaps or direct trading inside the wallet. It's primarily a portfolio tracker, not a full-fledged DEX or multi-chain wallet. This means you'll still need other platforms to execute trades. Additionally, while DeBank supports many major networks, it's more focused on Ethereum-based chains. If you're using Bitcoin or Solana, your experience will be limited. In summary, the DeBank Wallet app is perfect for anyone serious about DeFi tracking and analytics. It's transparent, secure, and incredibly informative. But if you're looking for a wallet that doubles as a trading tool, you may want to pair it with another app. DeBank gives you clarity, control, and insight, 3 essentials for every serious crypto investor.